Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's by Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another banger for all my party people and for all my crypto people, guys. So today we are reviewing SunWaves token, upgrade your festival experience, as they say here on the website, guys. So this is a really interesting token right here, guys, that I want to cover today. So before we jump into the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, guys, we can dive right into it. So guys, Ice Open Network launched earlier this year and has already attracted over 9 million users with its unique tap to mine technology, and we did cover Ice Open Network in my last video, okay? And Ice Open Network, guys, aims to onboard real companies with existing technologies and active user bases onto its blockchain by leveraging tap to mine technology, and these companies can grow their user base and launch successfully. And the first project launching on Ice Open Network is this token, guys, SunWaves token, and the official token of SunWaves Festival, a global leader in electronic music festivals. And they have some really interesting things here and features that I really like. So guys, you definitely need to check out this token. Obviously it is freshly launched, so you have to check it out while it's, you know, brand new and slightly, you know, undervalued. You know what I'm saying. But obviously, guys, as I said, do your own research, do your own due diligence. But in this video we'll talk about what they are doing, as you can see, and how their app looks and all of that. So I hope that you will enjoy. So guys, earn SunWaves tokens and elevate your festival experience with exclusive benefits and rewards. So let's talk about some statistics here, which you can also see right there. So guys, since its inception in 2007 with 5,000 attendees, the SunWaves Festival has grown significantly, now attracting over 150,000 participants per edition, guys. And the festival's lineup has expanded from 20 to over 100 artists, creating a vibrant community of international travelers from more than 80 countries. And you might ask, what is the utility of the token itself? The token name, guys, is SW, so SunWaves, obviously, as you can see right here, and this is why I'm telling you to check out the token, obviously. But what is the utility, you might ask? So the utility, guys, enhanced festival experience, first of all, because the token holders will gain exclusive access to premium festival areas, private events, and backstage experiences, offering a closer look at the inner workings of the festival, which is pretty cool if you think about it. And if you really like festivals, music, you know, if you want to see how it looks from the backstage, and all the technicals, so that's pretty cool, and that's only one of the features and one of the utilities. Then we have some economic advantages, guys, because tokens can be used to obtain discounts on tickets, accommodations, and merchandise, making the festival more accessible and enjoyable. So not only you can make money with the token price appreciation, obviously, but you can also gain an advantage to book a cheaper accommodation or get cheaper tickets and all of that. So being a holder here is really rewarding if you think about it. And then community and governance, guys, which is something that I really like. So token ownership gives festival attendees a vote in key decisions, influencing everything from lineup selections to event features, fostering a democratic and engaged community atmosphere. So I really like when there is community and governance within the project, because community sort of decides about future of the project itself, and in this case also sort of about future of the festivals, okay? Because as I said, they can, for example, decide on types of lineups for particular events, which is very cool. And as you guys can see, you will be able to earn SunWaves tokens for free using your phone. Their app ensures a seamless experience without using any of your phone's resources, allowing you to participate in the SunWaves ecosystem. So that's also very nice, because you'll be able to kind of taste, if I can tell it like that, this token without paying. So expanding horizons, explore the countries where SunWaves has hosted unforgettable events and discover our future destinations. Join us as we expand our festival experience worldwide. And you can see, for example, that they've been in Spain, Brazil, Colombia, Romania, United Arab Emirates, Zanzibar, Thailand, and obviously they have much more to come, guys. But this is not the end of utilities. I have one more mentioned for you guys, and it is artist engagement. So using SW tokens, attendees can directly tip their favorite artists, supporting the artists and strengthening the bond between performers and their audience. So if you really like some kind of artist, you know, you will be able to send him some SW as an appreciation, obviously, and it is also pretty motivating, I would say, for the artists to also come to SunWaves. Because on top of their like salaries, they can also get tips from the attendees, and obviously people, if they like their artist, they will tip him money. And you know, there is, let's say, 100,000 or 150,000 people on the event. Some of them can tip like $1, 50 cents or $10, you know, and that's like additional 20, 30, 50, 100k for the artist. So this way they can also, in my opinion, gain a lot of big names here for the festival, guys. And you might ask why SunWaves token has decided to go on ICE Open Network. So SunWaves token benefits from ICE Open Network's tap-to-mine technology and launches today, guys, as I said. And the application available on Android, web and Telegram allows users to earn the tokens through their interactions. So as I said, you can taste the token for free. So you can start mining today, guys, to take advantage of the initial high mining rate of 16 SW tokens per hour and earn additional rewards from active referrals. So you need to keep an eye on the app for exclusive bonuses and social media interaction, guys. And also covering ICE Open a little bit. So ICE Open Network is building a comprehensive ecosystem based on its successful history, guys. So don't miss the chance to earn these tokens from exciting new projects, starting with SunWaves token available now, but obviously I will try to cover you more projects once they launch. So let's get back to SunWaves token because we still have some things to cover here. Discover our core features. So first of all, you can grow your team. So you have the referrals, as you can see, and you can earn yourself some nice little rewards. So expand your network by checking your team member status and inviting others to join, build a stronger team and enhance your earning potential together. And then you can boost your earnings, guys. Increase your earning rate with our boost feature, earn higher rewards and lock features, and maximize your SunWaves token earnings effortlessly. And as you can see, you can increase your earnings by different levels for some kind of price, and then you can get more tokens, for example, this way. So you can sort of invest and then invite people or do the tasks and earn even more. Stay updated, obviously you can be connected with all the news here, and then track your progress, which will show you your global rank, referrals and level, and you can check out your growth, your badges, your achievements. So the application in itself is also very engaging for the user because they offer different features in the app in itself. And you have the token utility that I just talked about, so you have the discounts, you have exclusive access, you also have staking and rewards. So that's another great thing because you can let your money work for you by staking it, okay? So you can stake tokens and get even more tokens, which is, man, like ultimate free money machine, I'd say. Then obviously tipping and donations, governance and voting, and community engagement. And now they are proud to mention that they are part of the ICE Open Network ecosystem, tap-to-mine technology that I just covered for you, scalable and performant. So we chose the Ion blockchain for its scalability and high performance, designed to handle a high number of transactions per second. It ensures quick processing for all festival related activities, including ticket sales and on-site purchases, which is crucial for managing the high transaction volumes during festival events. Then at the bottom they have FAQ, social medias, as well as their application, which I recommend you to go ahead and check out. So join the Telegram, guys, join the Twitter. As you can see, I'm following, so if you want to be constantly updated about all the new things happening within SunWaves token, then you should definitely be a follower of them. And guys, this will be it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section whether you are already mining SunWaves or whether you will start, and how do you like the whole concept and idea. I will be happy to read your comments and reply to them. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.